Hello there. Bit of a sad time because it is the last of my Big Banana beers. This one is Mangrove Jack's Bourbon Barrel Strong Ale with added bourbon, oak and vanilla. 6.8% ish. Okay, conditioned. Focus. Focus. Focus, damn you. Not gonna focus. But I've just read what it says anyway. So it doesn't matter. Guessing this is a kit then. But I'm still very much looking forward to it because I'm sure it'll be grand if he's added extra shiz. So, oh dear, that's a bit tight, isn't it? Oh, okay then, off we go. Pop, 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 pop. 6.8% on a school night, eh? Already had one beer, but that was only 4 point something. 4.8. I can't remember. Right then. Oh yeah. Bourbon on that one. Bourbon on the nose. Smells a bit like JD and Coke, funnily enough. I'm guessing that it's JD that you used because that's what everyone uses when they do a bourbon thing, don't they? Okay. Can't smell any vanilla. Tiny bit of oak flavours as well. Or scents, I should say. But yeah, that bourbon is kicking out massively. That's definitely the most obvious smell that I'm getting. Pretty good head retention. Not bad at all. So let's crack on. It's weird because I can smell more bourbon than I can taste. Yeah, get the oak in there as well. That's good. Can't taste the vanilla at all. Hasn't got that homebrew kit twang to it, which I remember. I mean, I haven't brewed a kit for ages now, so it's been ages since I've had a kit beer. But I remember there was quite a sour, almost sour twang to it. But I think with me, that was because I had hard water and I was literally just whacking my hard water on top of what was already there. So obviously that's gonna cause problems because all the minerals are already sorted in the wort, for example. It's quite thin as well, especially with 6.8%. That's quite dangerous because it's not got a massive alcohol kick to it, but it's not a huge amount of body, so it's quite quaffable. I mean, I've taken that much down already. I'm not really getting any hop flavours at all. It's quite sweet as well. Quite a lot of sweetness, and some of that's from the bourbon as well. If you gave it to me, I wouldn't say, just said, oh, it's a bourbon stout. I wouldn't know it was a kit beer, but I would be a bit surprised about how thin it was. But yeah, that's pretty good. Would I buy that kit? No. To be honest, if this is what how it comes out when you've added extra shit in, yeah, it's nice, it's okay, but it's not, yeah, it's not great. And I promise you, I'm not being a snob, because I brew kit beers for years, and several kit beers I've had or whatever, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just used to it now. But I think kit beers, at the end of the day, it's this time, isn't it? It's half an hour. Whack it in, and there you go. And this is still better than a lot of the macro stuff that you get in the shops. So I'll rephrase that. If I had to do kits, probably would give this a go. Actually, it's all right, but I don't know. To be honest, actually, I know I probably wouldn't. I would probably just get the Cooper's Stout kit and then just add the stuff into that instead. The bourbon chunks and stuff like that. But yeah, it's okay. Like I said, I can't taste the vanilla at all, so maybe a bit more of that next time, because I think it was just it's not actually a stout either, it's a strong ale, but oh bloody hell, that's a stout, isn't it? Look at that. Black as the ace of spades, that one. But yeah, I mean, bourbon stouts are my thing. You know, I do my bit of black tooth grin and I absolutely love them. This, yeah, it doesn't quite get to that level, unfortunately. But, pretty damn drinkable beer. Remember, this probably only took you about half an hour to cook up. Definitely. But again, the ABV would put me off. I think that level of ABV with this thinness and lack of body is a bit dangerous, to be honest. So I definitely think out of the beers you sent me, Steve, the coconut porter is definitely my favourite, but they've all been pretty good, to be honest. They've all been nice, drinkable beers. This is probably my least favourite. So I would go coconut porter, 7 Seas of rye, and then this bad boy. But yeah, thanks so much for sending them to me, mate. I absolutely love that. I will definitely send you some back. I'm going to send some beer mail out to the other guys because I've quite some of the other guys as well. Because to be honest, I haven't sent beer mail before because I never really had any beer to send. But I've got quite a lot now, and I definitely want to send out my chocolate and peanut stout to people, milk stout to people, because I want to see how they make of it. Because it's quite an intriguing beer. So cheers. Thanks a lot again, Steve. I'm definitely going to enjoy the rest of this. But yeah, I probably won't brew it myself because I'm a bit scared how pissed I would get. 6.8% and how easy it is to drink. It definitely feels more like a 4 or 5% stout, which is quite scary. So cheers, mate, and see you guys soon. Bye.